So in this video, you're going to learn how to block buyers. That will stop them from being able to purchase items using Buy It Now, make a bid on items if you've got things listed as auctions, and it will even stop them from being able to message you. Okay, so the first thing that we need to do is to sign in. So this is what we will do. We will sign in to our account. And then from here, we want to be over in this top right hand section where it says My eBay, and top option, which is summary. Let's click on that. And then we need to be going to the account tab just at the top here. So let's click on account. And then we need to be over on the right hand side where it says account preferences. We need to be looking for permissions. So let's click on permissions. And then down here on the left hand side under selling, so let's click on selling. We need to be looking for seller preferences. There we go. So let's click on selling preferences. And then as we scroll down this page, you will see the your buyers kind of section. And in the middle of that, you will see blocked buyer list. So let's click on the edit tab on the blocked buyers list, and this will bring us to the main page where you would block buyers. Now, very quickly, I'll just read this out. If you don't wish to sell to certain eBay members, you can put them on your blocked list. Members on that list will be unable to bid, buy, make an offer, or send you messages on any of your listings until you remove them from your list. So once you've added somebody's username on here, they are unable to bid on anything, buy anything, make an offer on anything, and even send you messages. And all you will do is you will type in the username of the person that you wish to block into here. So you will type in ABC123, and then if you've got more than one buyer that you want to block, just separate them with a comma. So then you go ABC124, comma, and so on and so forth, and then press submit, and then that will block those buyers from taking them actions. There is also a link in the description area of this video, which if you click onto will take you straight there without having to go through those 6 or 7 steps. Hi, thank you for watching. If you really appreciated that link in the description to get that job done super quick, then please give this video a like, and please subscribe now and hit the notification button so you don't miss any more tips like this.